There are a lot of questions that attorneys need to answer once or several times per client, that everybody has the same questions about what's the next step in the process, about what is this going to look like, about why do I need to provide this document, what is it going to be used for, that the attorney's constantly responding in emails and constantly responding maybe a day or two after they got the email, whereas Deliberately.AI's AI agent communicates with the client to answer all those questions in the process of helping them get through whatever step of the process they're in. So by handling a lot of those concerns ahead of time, Dell really makes sure that clients are supported in exactly the moment they need it, and also taking that load off of the attorney to leave the attorney available to do the really important work of legal strategy, of verifying the filings are correct, and those sorts of things.
Yeah. I'd say another part of the root problem is that there are many channels of communication. There's email, there's meetings, there's files that are being sent via file sharing services. And those sources of information are all over, and it leaves the attorney with a real scattered mess of facts. And they often don't even know what they have. And I remember in my case, the attorney asking for the same exact information 2-3 times. And as a client who's sort of putting their faith in this attorney, it undermines your trust in them when they start asking questions that you've already answered. So by sitting in the middle of all of those sources and aggregating all of that information into a common source of truth for the attorney, they just have a much better sense of what they have and what they need. And that makes them feel like they know what's going on for their client. Yeah, it builds trust. It's a better experience.